Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a Gmail, an Apple, an iCloud, and an Adobe account. Do we need all these accounts? Yes, it will help if you don't have enough storage space for your pictures and videos, or to start a YouTube account in the future. There is a structure to my madness. When I was first learning the system, I had to do so much research on the internet. I was boggled from jumping one place to another. Now I would like to create a lesson to find all the necessary steps before we get to the iPhone 8 lesson. This will help those who are not good with technology, like my old self. Another reminder, an iPhone 8 picture and the video are amazing, even in 2020 for a very reasonable price. Remember, you can always stop and rewind or go forward with the timestamp below. Okay, let's go to create a Gmail account. To create a Gmail account, go to Google and type in create your Google account. I copied the link below for you. Put in your first name, your last name, and a username. Remember, if this is a brand account, meaning if you're planning to use it for tutoring or sharing with others, you should choose it carefully. If this is personal account, choose whatever that you like. In the username, if I select something that is already taken, the computer will tell you. So then you try another, or they give you an valuable. You put it there. Well, I have a lot of account already. So the next thing is you want to put in your password and then confirm your password. And then you press, remember, choose your password, something is easy for you to remember, and you have to use 8 or more character with mixed letter, number, and symbol. Then press next, and that's it. You have a Gmail account. If you have an iPhone, you already have an Apple account or ID. All you need to do is to sign in. However, if you have a smartphone, you have to create one. And you see here, create your Apple ID, click on that. And I also put the link below so you can just go to that browser. Now you put in all the information, first name, last name, country, birthday, and here your Apple ID, use the Gmail account that you just created. Once you put in password, confirm your password, and they ask for a phone number, I highly recommend that you use phone numbers so that way you can get a verification text. You don't have to, but it's optional. Right here, your identity, and you set your password whenever you forget. And you can click announcement if you want. You don't have to do the thing. Now you gotta type in this captcha right here and press continue. A pop-up screen will ask you to enter a verification code. Send it to your email or your phone, depending on how you set this up. Once you put in the code, done. Now we go to an iCloud for PC. If you have an iPhone, the iCloud is there, it's built in with your phone. All you need to do is sign in. If you have an Android phone, you have to get it. Instead of doing this procedure on your phone, it's easier to do on your PC laptop. And you need to download iCloud for Windows. See it right there? iCloud for Windows. And this link is also below. Press download now. And scroll down. Here's a Windows 10. That's what I have. If you have earlier version, then you do that one. So I click on this, and it will take me directly to Microsoft Store iCloud. All you do is just click get. Go to File Explorer and open the iCloud setup. Restart your computer. Restart your computer will help the computer to register the new application. Since it cannot think for themselves, we have to tell it that the new application is there. All right. Make sure iCloud for Windows is open. If it doesn't open automatically, go to Start. Open App or Program and open iCloud for Windows. Right there. Enter your Apple ID, which is your Gmail, remember, to sign in to iCloud. Choose a feature or content, whatever you would like. I like photos, so I click on photo. From then on, every photo that you capture with your iPhone, it will go automatically into this folder. Now we go and get an Adobe account. Okay, and the link is also below. If you already have an account, you can sign in. Otherwise, you gotta create it. Again, first name, last name, create your password, date of birth, and the region, United States, that's where I am. Click Create Account right here. Once your account is created, click Continue to access your account page. Well, that's all for today. Next time, I will show you how to get Lightroom in your iPhone 8 and work on the camera setting. It's very important to understand a little bit about the setting so you can get the best picture on your iPhone. Alrighty, thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye-bye.